students. So hope you have enjoyed your days, and we are back again with the another poem, that is Gave It Our All. Now if you see on the board, there is a thought, that is the secret of our success is that we never give up. So if we want to succeed in life, what do? Do we shift at opportunities? No. So what we have to do, whenever we are given opportunities, we have to take part, or we have to grab those opportunities or chances. So now the thought says, the secret of our success is that we never give up. So if you want to succeed in life, if you want to be a successful person in life, so whatever chances you get or whatever opportunities you get, you should not say no to them. So these small little opportunities may lead you to a successful life. Now if you ask your parents or if you ask your grandparents, what has made them so successful, and they might tell you that they have gone through hard struggle. The beginning was not very easy, right? The beginning step when they had taken, they might face lot of challenges, or they might face problems, whatever problems maybe the money matter, or maybe the health issues, or maybe the personal or family matters. So everything they had, but they have not lose their heart. That means they did not say no to the situation or no to the opportunities. So this is one kind of poem which also fills us with a motivational spirit, and it also tells us that we never give up. That means whatever opportunities or whatever chances we get, we should not leave them behind. Today, if the opportunity has come to you, or you are given an opportunity, you should not say that, not today, I'll do it tomorrow. This tomorrow, the opportunity may be grabbed by some other person. So what happens? You will not get the chance. And the another reason what happens is, now when you say no once, the one who has given a chance to you may not be feeling to give you for the second time. So when the opportunity comes to you, you need to grab it, or you need to work hard to gain that opportunity. So now this poem is by the anonymous writer, that means we do not know who has written it, the anonymous person, and it only speaks about the motivation, and it also asks us not to give up anything positive in our life. So let's never give in to complaints nor fear. With our eyes on our goals, the right direction we steer. No matter the circumstances, with great effort we should always try. We must pick ourselves up when we get bruised and we cry. Opportunities are plentiful. Let's just open our eyes. Our dreams we shall nurture as we stare to the skies. The trick is to create value that's honest and real. By following our passions, in our hearts we shall feel. If we never hold back and just give it our all, no talent or obstacle shall ever be tall. The poem is going to tell you only this much, that whenever we are given the opportunities, we haven't to give up, and whatever the circumstances that encounter to reach that particular goal or that particular chance, so you will have lot of obstacles, that means hindrances. Someone may try to lose that particular opportunity, but whatever it is depends on you how you take it and how you proceed in your life. So now let's begin with the first stanza. Let's never give in to complaints nor fear. Now, for example, you want to do a good painting, okay, or you want to be a singer, or you want to be a dancer, whatever, or you want to be a dramatist, maybe an actor, or maybe a good writer. So in the beginning, when you are in the beginning stage, nothing is perfect, right? So you will slowly learn one by one, and many may tell you, no, it is not possible, or you can't do that, or you don't have talent, and so on. Even then, people may tell you, but it is left to you or up to you how you have to take it or how you have to proceed with that. So let's never give in to complaints nor fear. And one thing that frightens, there are two things that are going to frighten you on. One is complaints from others or comments from others, and the other thing is the fear. So fear that you have built by yourself, that doesn't allow you to go forward or go further, and the complaints or the comments from others will not allow you to have a successful life. With our eyes on our goals, the right direction we steer. So when you know the direction where you have to go, so that will lead you to the successful life. And fear is the main thing that doesn't allow us to grow. What does the fear do? When I am frightened, it makes me still down. My spirit goes still down, and I am not there to talk or come forward in life. So first para is telling you that you should never give up, never listen to the complaints or comments passed by the others, or you should not have fear that is built by yourself. And when your direction or when your goal is right, then you have to take a right direction and move towards your goal. The second stanza, no matter the circumstances, with great effort we should always strive. So whatever the circumstances or whatever the hindrance or whatever the problems you encounter, even then you try to come up in life, or you try to solve those problems. We must pick ourselves up when we get bruised and we cry. So when we are hurt, so when we are going to do something new, there will be a lot of negative comments, right? So when we listen to these comments, what are we supposed to do? And what are we doing? We are hurt and we start crying, right? And who consoles you? There maybe your parents may console you, and maybe your siblings may console you, your friends may console you, or your teachers may console you. But who is the best person to console you? Yes, it is yourself. So what you have to do when you are down, or when you are hurt, or when you cry, or when your mood is off, so what you are supposed to do? You have to boost yourself. You have to tell yourself that everything is going to be fine. So this is how you try to build a fearless life. Maybe you try to achieve the success that you want to achieve. So children, I would like to stop here, and I want you to go through the poem, read the poem by yourself, and try to understand all the difficult words. So I would like to stop here, children. Have a nice day.